Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing Nespresso's Pixie cup. Now this is a shot glass for an espresso, and it actually came free with one of my purchases. Now that is not a surprise at this point because I do get a lot of my glassware from Nespresso free, and I would definitely suggest doing the same. They offer them with purchase of sometimes like 12 sleeves or 18. Sometimes it is, like a hefty number, but I am personally willing to wait. Now, the only colorway that was available was the purple, which is the Firenze Arpeggio, which comes caffeinated or decaffeinated. It is one of the 3 that comes decaffeinated, and I've been on a decaf kick lately. Shh, don't tell anyone. So I am over the moon that I can have a monochromatic coffee experience. Now let's talk about the item itself. I was really pleasantly surprised with this. I think it is just adorable, and I have set a new goal to collect all of the colors. So that is how much I like this item. In terms of actually using this cup, I do think it's a comfortable experience if you are looking to drink just a straight espresso shot or a macchiato espresso shot, so just adding a little bit of foam. I think it is comfortable, and I like the lip, so even if it does slip out of your hands, at least there's, a last chance to catch it. All right, that's all we have for you for this unboxing. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.